I'm now going to demo an app called Cash Reader. This is a subscription-based app, although there is a lifetime purchase for £23.99, which is a lot, I think, to identify currency. The subscription options, I think, are 89 pence a month or whatever that is a year, perhaps with a bit of a discount. So I am going to demonstrate this now, recognizing British pounds. Hello everyone, I'm Ed Green and I'm doing a demo today of the currency recognizer app Cash Reader. As I mentioned on the podcast, if you heard that, this is a paid app in the main. It will recognize low denomination notes if you don't pay for it. As an example, in the UK, that means it will recognize a £5 note but nothing else. If you do want to pay for it, it is 89 pence a month, £8 something a year, and 23.99, I think, lifetime. And no doubt prices will be similar. So it's called Cash Reader, as I said. I'm going to open it up now.
Identify in British pound. Cash Reader. Identify in British pound.
I'm going to turn it up slightly.
Settings button.
I'm going to take you into settings first before we actually identify a currency.
Double settings. Recognition disabled. Heading and select the currency. Currently identify in British pound. Select the currency. Double tap to activate.
So I'm going to go in here.
Select currency. Navigate up button. Select currency. Search. Delete downloaded currencies. Choose which currency will be identified from the list below. European Union. Heading. British pound. Bulgarian lev. Croatian kuna. Czech crowns. Danish krone. Euro. Hungarian forint. Polish zloty. Romanian leu. Swedish krona. Europe. Heading. Albanian lek. Belarusian ruble. Bosnian mark. Icelandic crown. Macedonian dinar. Moldovan lei. Norwegian krone. Russian ruble. Scottish pound. Serbian dinar. Swiss francs. Transnistrian ruble. Turkish lira. Ukrainian hryvnia. Africa. Heading.
So you can already hear it has a whole bunch of currencies. I'm not going to go around the world. The Scottish pound, by the way, I see it has that. Scotland does have separate banknotes. They are legal tender in England, and obviously UK pounds or Great British pounds are legal tender in Scotland. But there is a separate note. So we could go through all the continents here. I know that others are demonstrating things like Lookout. Lookout has 3 currencies. So this is obviously quite a specialist currency app. So I'm going to come out of the currencies it has.
Navigation bar. Back.
Here we go.
Settings. Select the currency. Full version is active. Manage subscription. Vibration settings. Banknote announcement style. Only denomination. Banknote announcement style.
So we have a banknote denouncement style. Let's go in here.
Banknote announcement style. Denomination with currency and list. Ticked. Only denomination. Cancel button. Ticked. Denomination with currency.
I think denomination with currency is actually helpful. I'm going to change this.
Settings. Banknote announcement style. Denomination with currency and list. Beep while identifying. If you are unaware of whether the app is active and currently identifying banknotes, enable the periodic beeping sound. Ticked. Tick box.
I think that's quite helpful. Currency apps tend to use sort of instant video. I think that beep is good because then you know if the camera's active, wasting battery if you think it's doing something else.
Flashlight. Light from your device's flashlight improves the identification rate in the dark. It will switch off automatically when you leave the app. Ticked. Tick box. Toggle back and front camera. Use back camera. Toggle. Send us photo for inspection. You can enable a button to appear on the main screen to send us photo for inspection. Tap the button whenever you think the app is giving you incorrect results, and we will check it. This will allow us to improve identification over time. Thank you. We will never share your photo with anyone, and it will be deleted after inspection. Not ticked. Tick box. Send us photo for inspection.
Don't think we need to do that.
Support. Disabled. Send a download link to your friends. Send email to Alex. Rate Cash Reader. If you're happy with the app, please rate us and write a review. For any issues, please write us an email and we will fix it for you. Rate Cash Reader. Double tap to activate. Privacy policy. Terms of use. Application version 2.7.1. Social media disabled. Open Cash Reader on Twitter.
So we have various social media things. Let's get out of here then.
Identify in British pound. Cash Reader. Settings button.
Let's get it to identify a note.
10 British pounds.
There we go, 10 British pounds. It was 10 British pounds. I wasn't quite sure where I needed to have the note just then. It shouldn't have been that slow. I think I could probably get it to do it more quickly than that. Let's try.
10 British pounds.
There we go. I had the note in my hand, and it is 10 British pounds. So that, I think, is about it. I held my phone, I don't know, probably about 4 or 5 inches away. I don't think it was a foot away when I did that. So it's still beeping. I'm going to make that not beep anymore. So it wasn't
Navigation.
a whole
Visit.
foot away, I don't think, when I had it do that. But yeah, it identified it accurately. Pretty happy with that. So that is a brief demonstration of Cash Reader.
That's really great, Ed. I really don't know that thing is that expensive for a lifetime, but it's one of those things. If one really needs it, then I guess they have to get it, right?
Yeah, I don't know. It feels a lot. I mean, the thing is about currency apps, you do need them to be updated because, as Austin said, notes get reprinted. Our currency has certainly changed. We've gone from paper to polymer plastic recently. Amusingly, on British currency, there's nothing on the £5 note, but there is effectively 2 Braille Gs on the £10 note, 3 Braille Gs on the £20 note, and 4 Braille Gs on the 50. And I assume this has been done so that blind people can defraud each other by putting notes into their braillers and adding extra Gs.
That's clever.
There is a note size difference as well, so you'd have to be a particularly unaware blind person to get caught out by a Perkins added G. But that is the way they've come up with, slightly bafflingly, to differentiate their currency, and they forgot to add it to their lowest denomination note.